Banwanra ka Pyniajan hapdeng ki pulit bat ki Paidbah ka jala, ka Director General of Police bathamai ka jala ka kong ida shisha nongrang, ka badang chimti mentakas ngi ka laong bakan penlong ya ka Kynduh ki Briew man ka Taiew, la kumno hakas ngi palay hapdeng khatway waje man step, hadu ar Pyniajan miet. Ka laong babun ki Briew ki juper khat ba ki pulit ka Meghalaya ki Pyniajan bat ki Paidbah, hendai ka nekam day banlong kumta, kum ka kli do ka tanat pulit ka kong ida shisha ka laong, bari ban pen i syaka perthei baki pulit ke Meghalaya kide ki bala banyak kren banyak Kynduh bat ki bayarap iki Paidbah. Ha kaju ka por kalau ong bakan pen thamai da ka bayar selok bat ki kenhun baper ban pen bha ya kaju dei bat ki Paidbah. Kalau ong bah ka kam pulit kam don ban ong badai shenrang ne kenthei bat kam don kanu ka kendon hendai kum ka long kemi kasngo baki kenthei ki don ka rukam perkhat ka ba kam pher ban pen i.
Well, when it comes to misguided youth, I don't think it is only the duty of the police to be making efforts to show them a different path. It's something which the police has to work together with society, has to work together with other concerned, well-meaning groups, and it should be a concerted effort. And we should be looking at having a synergy in ensuring that the youth, as you say, are not misguided. In some other forum, that the impression of, the perception, rather the impression, the perception that the Meghalaya police is hostile to the people. Let me put it very bluntly. Correcting that influence, that perception, and to ensure that the people the police are accessible, are there to help you and not to harass you. In fact, to this end, we would be having a kind of an open house every week, one day of the week between 11 and 1. Most probably will be on a Thursday. I would love if you would disseminate this information. We would be having open house in the sense that anybody who can walk in, who wants to meet the DG, I will give them a hearing. I will meet them personally. Other days, of course, they would have to take appointments, but most probably it would be a Thursday between 11 and 1 o'clock, and it could spill over. 11 to 2 most likely, that would be more 11 to 2 you would be I would be accessible to the up to you if you want to come, yes, but my only request to you would be other people would also be having other issues.